Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a flip through of my planning inserts for February and then move over March's because I do have them printed and cut out, so I'm really excited. I've been kind of experimenting with the inserts I'm using. I mean, I guess not really, but I do feel like I have came to, I don't know, I feel like I've found like something that's working for me, and that's the beauty of rings, at least in my case, that I love. Like, one of the biggest reasons I love it so much is the fact that I can switch out my inserts whenever I want. Like, my layout can change, and yeah, so definitely a big plus. We are trying out the gillio cover. This, someone else said that the strap is shorter than the Moterm, which you can definitely tell, but I'm still able to close it, which is great. And then I am using this pouch from Scrawly Mama Plans, and I'm going to mention this here. I tried to find her shop on Instagram the other day because I wanted to order another one, like something that has a little more like substantial feeling. Like, I think she had like thicker fabrics, and I couldn't find her account. Did she like I don't know, I can't find her anywhere. Did anything happen? Like, I'm worried. But yeah, like, even when I tagged her in something, like, I clicked on it and the account is just wiped out. So let me know if you guys know anything, because I definitely miss her shop. She has really cute planner covers. I had to go another route, which I have one coming, but yeah, let me know. I thought that was weird. But anyways, let's get into the flip. So my monthlies, I guess there's not really much. Oh, actually there is something to talk about in my monthly section. So I'm still using, and I already have it pulled up open to March, but I'm still using, oh no, I'm not using freebies. These are from Mariyea. I purchased hers because they matched my dailies, and I actually really like, just like, I think there was more space than the Peanuts Planner Co., but I really do like these. And yeah, nothing to talk about there. But over here, so I do have this was a Hobonichi Weeks dashboard from Type A for Alexa that I'm using in here, and I just have them. I have my monthly sandwiched with this insert, which is a monthly focus from one of my great friends on Instagram and YouTube, Main Mama Plans. This is super adorable, and I do want to go back and fill it out for January, but here is how February is going. I just have some like monthly focus things, and then a little highlights where I decided I'm just going to like write out a few things that are happening or a few little memories from the month. And back here will be the first month that I'm gonna back plan January, but in real time at least, I'm going to do a little collage with photos from that month. So I really love this insert, and her shop is so cute. Definitely check it out. She's on Etsy. I'll leave it linked down below, but I really like this insert. So, and she has like other layout ones as well, but yeah, really love that. That's a new addition to my planning section, and I have the rest of those for the whole year. And then in my weeklies, I started out the week or the month using this, I guess. Oh yeah, I reprinted all my inserts on like a thinner paper, so I will have to get my other months or the other weeks from this month, but I guess this is where it started for now. And I don't know, it worked, but I was just searching for new inserts, and I came across a freebie that a couple of them actually, that I wanted to try. And let let me unpaperclip this. This was one of them. It's another week on one page, but I was able to have like more space on the side because I just felt like I wasn't utilizing all of the space in here. And then another week I tried this layout, which I fell in love with. And this one, as well as this week on one page, are from Elise Creates. I'll leave her link down below. Her freebies are linked to her Instagram, so I'll leave it down below. And she has a ton of freebies, so definitely check her out. But I fell in love with this layout. It's a week on two page. You have the week here in the middle, and then you have a checklist, an expenses, a meal plan, and a notes. So I like this, but I had a few things like I kind of wished were tweaked. So I messaged her on Instagram and asked if she would be able to customize it for me, and I told her I would pay her, and she's so sweet. She told me that it was such a minimal thing that she wasn't going to charge me, and that she was just excited that I liked her freebies, which, girl, I love them. But I'm really excited, so let me show you how and she was super quick with it. Like, I messaged her the one night before I went to bed. I woke up and she had a mock-up in my messages and just asked for my email. So she's really, really nice. But instead of all of the compartmentalization in the sides, because as you can see, I was already like kind of sectioning them off. I don't need a meal plan because I have my meal planning section in here, and I don't need an expenses. I wanted to be able to just have a little bit more freedom while still having that structure. So here it is. I just wanted fully lined sides, which is, I'm so excited to try this out. So I'll be able to, like, here I was tracking like different laundry I wanted to get done this week. These are some packages that I have on the way. And then over here, some things I wanted to get done this week. Not necessarily on that day, which is why I love this, because I do use a day on one page, which is a lot of space, but I needed some place to put things that I wanted to get done that week, but I just didn't know what day necessarily, and this is perfect because now I'm able to use this whole, I don't know, like, I'm really excited, and they turned out wonderfully. I was a little sad that I would be not able to use this really cute like stamp look, but I was able to make it work with this new insert. So like, I feel like this is my like perfect insert. I'm still able to, I dated the whole month and I have it all ready. So really, really cute. I'm excited. I feel like this is going to be perfect for me along with my dailies. So yeah, this is this week, and I will be redoing this because I decided, well, for one, since it's a week on two page, I needed something for the front and the back. So I got this little dashboard from Crefective Paper, and I was able to upload it into Canva and use one of their fonts to write March there, and then on the back I just have a lined notes page. So I decided that I want the first of each month within that month. So this is this week again, and I'll just rewrite everything over, especially with the new like little layout. It'll be fun to play around with. And then like over here, well, this is a bad month to show it because the 31st is on a Sunday, but if the last day of the month was in with the beginning of the next month, it would still go with that next month. I don't know. I'm kind of confusing myself, so I'm sure I'm confusing you guys. Anyways, those are my weeklies. And then for my dailies, I jumped into planning in my rings on the 4th. So here's some like blank spots, and I just stuck some sticky notes I felt like I would need. Up here, I have, I wanted to like try this out for like a currently page, because these inserts from Mariyea Bermucci have come with this like really cute whatever that is, checklist. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry that I'm not coherently speaking, but I don't know how much I love it because there's only so many things I'm currently doing. Our days are so packed. But let's do a quick flip of my dailies. Some days are not as filled out as others, and it did take me a little bit to get into the swing of how I wanted to use these, but I love these because I just wanted something that was dated, and that's it. Like, I wanted full, complete range, total control over like how it was looking. I know I could, and I've done this before, just use plain notebook paper and like date it every day. And that might work, especially because some days like I didn't really need this day. Like, we were so busy this day as well. I just didn't write anything down. There was a snow day, so there was really nothing. I feel like my day was just probably not very productive. Here I wanted to play around with the idea of doing a day on 2 page and journaling, and I journaled over here. I just wrote something random down. I used to have this picture over here actually, but I put it in my today marker instead. I don't know, I didn't really want to do that, so that was my only day I had it in there. This is also another freebie from Elise Creates. So, like I said, there's just a ton of really good freebies on her site. Here, it's starting to come up, like, it's starting to form into what I want it to be a little better, but still not quite. I really love how I'm using it now. I feel like over here you can kind of see it more. I kind of organically, like, I didn't think about how I wanted to set these things up. I just would word vomit the night before in the morning of. And over here is just like places I need to go or appointments, and then over here are tasks, which is working really well. And then down here at the bottom, not every day, but you'll see when I flip the page, I started to put like memories. So here I wrote when I ordered my gillio. Here we tried a food truck I had been wanting to try. So again, like places to go, tasks. We really were just out of town all day. So here, like you can see, I am starting to add, what is that? Memories. I can think. I'm starting to add memories, and then I'm also highlighting them, which I really, really like. Sorry guys, I'm trying to like make sure there's nothing sensitive on here to share with you guys, but here, this is yesterday. Michael slammed his finger at work and I had to take him to urgent care. That was scary. His finger looks horrible. We got a Shamrock Shake, the first of the season, and then we went our first park day this year. So I really am loving how this is turning out. Again, places to go, things to do, and then memories at the end, like after. I feel like just at the end of the day, I just jot some things down. And I'm habit tracking, doing horrible with my habits, but we'll get there. And yeah, so this is the end. And I'm going to keep this page in so we can kind of move over now. But these are from Elise Creates as well. I just had a few of those put in here because I felt like I might want to try something with a little more structure to the day. But ultimately, I'm staying with these. They're just working so well, and I really love them. So yeah, there is my setup and like kind of how I'm planning in here. So we're also going to take these out because I'll keep them with my other inserts, but I just don't feel like I need them. I'm going to keep this in for that last day because tomorrow, technically we're not in March yet, but I want to move everything over. I'm also going to have to take these sticky notes and find another place for them. Just put them here for now. Yeah, I'm loving being in rings full time. And now that I've kind of solidified my layout, I feel like it's just even better. So here is my weekly. And I'm just gonna have to go through all of that. But let me grab these. So those are my weeklies for March. And I can stick that there. I love this. This is a freebie from Carpe Diem. My printer kind of printed some weird lines there, but then I added these little stickers from my girls. And then my daily section. I think what I'm going to do, I guess no. I was gonna put it like after this, but that would be kind of weird. Sorry if you can hear Monay. She's washing her hands. Alrighty. So yeah, I had kept like kind of forgetting to share that monthly focus from Maine Mama Plans with you guys, but I am loving those. She's just the sweetest human ever too. Like, I love talking to her, and she's just one of the many connections I've made on here from the planner community. I love making connections with you guys. Like, I have some people that I just talk to and that are really kind. So check her out if you are in the market. She has really great weeklies and dailies as well. So again, that'll be linked down below. So here we are. This is our current day. And then I'll just put that with everything else after tomorrow. I'm thinking about ordering like a clear, I have one, but it's for A5, just like the clear binder. Here are my April inserts, to hold my inserts after I'm done with them, because at the end of the year I want all of my monthly, weekly, and dailies in one little binder, and I think that'll be really cute. I know they're super cheap on Amazon, so I think that's something I'll be in the market for. So here it is. I really love how this looks. I honestly might take this out of here because I really want to be able to see that. And I know it's my weeklies, so yeah, I'm really excited to switch everything over. I won't bore you guys with that, but I wanted to share my system, how I'm using my planner, and the new inserts that I'm using. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now, guys.